And in this opportunity, we're going to record the importance of life tables. Life tables are important in the determination of benefits and also in the determination of payments. For example, we have the importance of life tables. I'm going to think in a person whose age is 60 and he started paying primes at age 20, and we're going to see what the benefit R means renta or annuity. We're going to suppose that this annuity is an annual annuity because the explanation is going to be much shorter, and if I explain with a monthly annuity. Okay, this person is going to pay an annuity with annual payments. Annual payments. And we have to make an equation where payments are equal to benefits. Now, in this equation where payments are equal to benefits, payments are going to be the annuity, the period of annuity payments. In other words, from 20 to 60 we have 40 years. Of payments to the insurance company. In other words, we're going to say that the payments are going to be from age 20 to age 60. These are the payments. He's paying from 20 to 60. And his benefits will be an annual rent for life starting age 60. This is a benefit which will pay the insured an annual benefit of R. Okay, now we're going to use two different tables. One of the tables is going to be the CSO 1958 table. This is a table where the last age is 100 years. And we're going to use another table, which is the let me see. The American Experience Table of Mortality. In the American experience table, or mortality, where the final age is only 95 years. So if we make computations, we're going to see the difference of the value R, which is the benefit. I did not stated the amount of the annual payments. Suppose the annual payment is going to be 1,200 pesos, 1,200 pesos. If this guy is going to pay 1,200 pesos, 1,200 pesos annually, he's going to pay this amount from age 20 to age 60, and his benefit will be R, payable starting age 60. Okay, this benefit will be these amounts are of the American experience table. We're going to make an abbreviation that this table is called the American experience table. Okay, in accordance to the American experience table, in a moment we're going to see what the result is. Now, with the other table, with the CSO 1958 table, we're going to see the difference Okay, now let me get my my calculator, and we're going to have the result. Okay, now these figures are the result of the CSO 1958 table. As you can see, the amount of the rent which is going to pay for an annuitant starting age 60. In other words, this is these are payments for life. This is a whole life annuity starting at age 60. If we use the American Experience table, this guy is going to receive an annuity of 13,374.57 per year, which is larger than this other rent, which is going to receive if he's going to using the CSO 1958 table. In other words, we have a conclusion here that if the last age in the table, the omega age, if it's larger, the annuitant is going to receive less amount of annuity. If the omega age is the shortest, the smallest, the annuitant is going to receive more annuity. This table, the American Experience table, has the last age is 95, and with the CSO table, the last age is 100. So we have a difference of 5 years, but these 5 years is very important because the annuity payments are going to be larger if he's using a CSO table in 1958. For example, in the case of Latin America, the the it's better to use the American experience table, because this table is representing the probabilities of life of Americans or of Latin Americans. On the other hand, this other table, which was used for the United States, in the United States the people live more years, therefore we're using other amounts which will give us a less amount of annuity per year. So in the case, for example, of Bolivia, in Bolivia, the omega age is 110 years. That means that if we use this table, the annuity payments are going to be even much less than if we were going to use the American experience table. So this is a very important conclusion. It's another fact that we can use any table. We have to use a table which adapts to the real population probability of life. Of course, I understand that for annuities, the companies exaggerate a little bit this omega age. However, if we use the real table, we are going to be paying more money to people which are going to use a table adapted to the population of the country. Another thing that we're going to see in the next video is why in Latin America people is losing a lot of money in annuities, because they converted in actuarial tables, actuarial formulas, they converted in financial tables. The financial tables reduce the amount of benefits of the annuity payers, because there are periods where, in case of death, no payment will be made to the beneficiaries. In that case, the actuarial amounts are converted in less amount of rent. And this is what we're going to see in the next video. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that this video is going to help you. And well, thank you very much for listening.